Maintaining a vibrant and productive garden requires diligent care and cultivation, and one indispensable tool for achieving this is the electric garden tiller. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a novice enthusiast, an electric tiller can revolutionize the way you prepare your soil for planting. With its power, versatility, and eco-friendly nature, the best electric garden tiller is a game changer for anyone looking to create a flourishing garden with ease and efficiency. Electric garden tillers have gained tremendous popularity in recent years due to their many advantages over traditional gas-powered models. They provide a convenient and sustainable alternative, reducing their reliance on fossil fuels while still delivering remarkable performance. With advancements in technology, these tillers have become increasingly powerful and efficient, allowing users to effortlessly break up soil, remove weeds, and mix in organic matter, all crucial steps for achieving optimal growing conditions. 5 Sun Joe 24 volts X2 TLR 14 count. The Sun Joe 24 volts X2 TLR 14 cordless garden tiller/cultivator is a powerful and efficient tool designed to make your gardening tasks easier. It features a 500-watt brushless motor that runs cooler and lasts longer than traditional brush motors. With 4 steel tilling blades, it can cultivate an area 14 inches wide and up to 7 inches deep, ensuring thorough soil preparation. The tiller is equipped with easy glide wheels, providing maximum mobility in your yard and garden. Despite its capabilities, it remains lightweight at just 33 pounds, making it easy to handle and maneuver. Additionally, Sun Joe offers a 2-year warranty on this product, demonstrating their commitment to customer satisfaction. The estimated price for this cordless garden tiller is $249.99. 4 Sun Joe TJ604E 16-inch. The Sun Joe TJ604E 16-inch 13.5 amp electric garden tiller/cultivator is a reliable and durable tool designed to make your gardening tasks more efficient. It features a powerful 13.5 amp motor that can cultivate an area up to 16 inches wide and 8 inches deep. The tiller also offers 3-position wheel adjustment, allowing you to customize the depth of your tilling. It comes with foldable handles for easy storage and transportation. The product has received positive reviews, with around 82% of reviews being positive, praising its convenience, build quality, and overall performance. However, some users mentioned that maneuvering the tiller can be challenging. Overall, the Sun Joe TJ604E is a highly rated electric garden tiller that provides excellent value for money. 3 Lawnmaster TE1318W1 corded. The Lawnmaster TE1318W1 corded electric tiller is a powerful and efficient tool designed for effective tilling. It features a 13.5 amp motor and an 18-inch cutting width, allowing it to till up to 9 inches deep. The tiller is equipped with 6 rust-resistant steel blades, ensuring durability and efficient performance. Safety is prioritized with a locking button for secure operation. It is lightweight at 24.36 pounds, making it easy to control. Lawnmaster provides a purchase guarantee with priority shipping from their U.S. warehouse and a professional customer service team. Overall, the Lawnmaster TE1318W1 is a reliable electric tiller for your gardening needs. 2 Earthwise Power Tools by ALM. The Earthwise TC7040 11-inch 40-volt lithium-ion cordless electric tiller/cultivator is a powerful and efficient tool for tilling and cultivating your garden. It comes with a 4.0Ah lithium-ion battery and charger included, providing ample power for your gardening tasks. The tiller features 4 durable steel tines that offer a cutting width of 11 inches and a cutting depth of 8 inches. Its lightweight design makes it easy to operate and transport. The product has received positive reviews, with around 86% of reviews being positive, praising its easy operation, efficient performance, and lightweight design. However, some users mentioned that the battery life may be short. Overall, the Earthwise TC7040 is a highly rated cordless electric tiller that offers excellent value for money. 1 Earthwise Power Tools by ALM TC7040. The Earthwise Power Tools by ALM 6.5 amp 11-inch corded electric garden tiller cultivator is a powerful and efficient tool for tilling and cultivating small to medium-sized gardens. It features a 6.5 amp motor that is capable of turning fresh ground and maintaining existing gardens and flower beds. The slim and lightweight design of the tiller makes it easy to carry around the garden. It is equipped with durable 4 steel tines that can effortlessly turn soil and handle contact with hard surfaces like small rocks. The tiller has an 11-inch working width and an 8-inch working depth. It is powered by electricity and can be easily started with a single lever switch. The corded electric design makes it a convenient and reliable alternative to gas-powered tillers. In conclusion, the best electric garden tiller is a powerful and efficient tool that can significantly ease the process of preparing and maintaining your garden. Electric tillers offer numerous advantages over their gas-powered counterparts, such as being quieter, more eco-friendly, and requiring less maintenance. When choosing the best electric garden tiller, there are a few key factors to consider. First, assess the power and performance of the tiller. Look for models with high amp ratings and robust motors to ensure they can handle the soil conditions in your garden. Additionally, consider the tilling width and depth to ensure it meets your specific gardening needs. Another important aspect to consider is the maneuverability and ease of use. Look for features like adjustable handles, lightweight design, and smooth maneuvering to make operating the tiller comfortable and convenient.